Our nature is in trouble. We live in one of the most nature-depleted countries in the world, and some of our best-loved species are at risk of being lost altogether. But Ulster Wildlife has a plan to bring nature back. We need to create bigger, better, and more joined-up spaces for nature in our countryside, seas, and towns. Every garden, park, and farm can play their part so that nature's decline is reversed and we see life all around us again. Climate change threatens all of us, but our natural world can help solve the climate crisis. By harnessing the power of nature and restoring carbon-rich habitats like seagrass and peatlands, we can both lock away carbon and bring nature back. Many of us have become disconnected from the natural world and switched off from nature. We must engage, empower, and amplify all voices to bring nature back. We can do more for nature, and in turn, nature will do more for us. Will you stand with us? Bring nature back. Join us today